Hi, my name is Amanda Allison from Allison Alliance Home Team. Welcome to the Rollingwood. This 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, custom-built ranch is built by R&B Homes. Let's take a look around.
Now this particular model is a split floor plan, which means the primary is on one side of the home and the secondary first floor bedrooms are on the other side. So if you walk this way, I'll show you the secondary bedrooms. As we step through here, I'm going to be talking a little bit about what the house features. So every window and every door in an R&B home is wrapped with trim. So cased throughout the entire home. Each bedroom and family room will come with a light fixture and ceiling fan. Here you have the light switch for the closet area of this particular bedroom. If we walk this way, you have a full bath that services both of these secondary bedrooms. Now, in the bathrooms, come standard with granite countertops and soft close cabinets. So if you step into this bedroom here, you'll see, of course, window and door frames are cased out, and a nice big closet here. Light switches on the outside. So as we come back this way, if you want to stop and take a peek at the bathroom there, you can, and then we'll head back into the main living area. As you can see with this floor plan, your eat-in kitchen area, your family room, and your kitchen are all open to each other. Now, your family area has a huge cathedral ceiling, which is super nice. Plenty of lights coming in through the 3 windows and the door as well. Heading over to the kitchen area here, you have granite countertops and soft close cabinets throughout. The standard appliance package comes with microwave, oven, and dishwasher. Also standard is your deep farm style sink here as well. You can also notice the LVP flooring throughout the entire home. That will be standard except for your bedrooms and your staircase. So if we head this way, I'll show you a little bit more of the home. Here is your door coming in from the garage. So as you enter from the garage, you're going to have your utility room.
Hey guys, follow me on this way into the first floor primary. Now in this room here, as you can see, we do have the coastal trim package. It is around the windows and the door frames. In here, we do also have a large walk-in closet, as you can see, and we do also have the primary bath. Now in the primary bath, it is dual vanity sink, and we also have soft close drawers and cabinets below. Back here, we do have a separate room for the toilet, and then we do also have a large tile shower that includes the bench. As we exit the primary bath, you do see here that we have the pre-wiring on the wall. With R&B Homes, they do let you choose which wall you can put the wiring on for your TV. So that way when you're picking out your furniture and where you want it to go, you can associate that with where you want your TV to go. Follow me on up the stairs. Upstairs, we do have another large room over the garage. This room also does have the double switches so that you can have the fan and light in here as well. Here you can have an entertainment room, a playroom, or even another bedroom if you'd like. Now if you follow me this way, we do have another large room up here that you could have as a home office or even another bedroom if you'd like. There is 2 switches up here too that you can have the fan and light as well. And then we do also have the attic access here. There's tons of space and storage in there for you to throw your Christmas decorations up. And then if you follow me this way, we do have a full bathroom here. It does have the granite countertop, the soft close cabinet, and then a stand-up shower too. Take a look.
If you envision yourself in a beautifully crafted home, nestled in the scenic landscapes of North Carolina's Currituck Sound area, the opportunity is just a call away. These homes, masterfully designed by R&B Homes and offered through the Allison Alliance Home Team, epitomize the blend of refined style and practical living in one of the most desirable regions. To begin your new journey in this picturesque setting, contact David, Amanda, or Alex for a personalized consultation. Reach out to David Allison at 757-544-8856 or explore more online at davidallison.atlanticsire.com. Don't miss the chance to make this ideal home yours, surrounded by the tranquil beauty of Currituck. Thank you for considering this exquisite property with us today. Let us help you discover your dream home where everyday living becomes a daily retreat.